Yeah. We're preparing for lunch. Brunch or lunch. Right, honey? Yeah, brunch. Yan, no? We brought... Ay, honey. Oh, baka malaglag yung ano. Ipod mo rito na konti. Tinan mo ito. Okay, good. Yan. Luluto kami ng plantain. Walang kamatayang plantain.
Yellow plantain.
Yellow plantain. Tapos mamaya we're gonna heat it up the sausage and chicken wings. Plain chicken wings. Yan. Sipag naman ang honey ko magluto. Yan. Nagkasya lahat niya sa kaya. Table namin. 2 chairs. Yan. We're just gonna hang out for the whole day here on Lake Wallen Paupac. It's a beautiful day. Very, very nice. Not too humid, not too windy. Perfect day for couples picnic. And then we're gonna swim later. Kasi right now it's like 11:30-ish. So, tracking my music. And then, mamaya ilalagay ko rito sa forest ang aking hammock. Yan, dito lang sa likod. Yan. So, ito yung likod ng ano to forest. Yeah. Nice, nice place though. Very quiet. There's no residential area in this particular place kasi protected to. I think it's a hunting area on the deep woods over there, but it's not a season today, so nothing to worry about. Couple boats hanging out on the lake. So we went there. Yung dam, there's a dam over there, and sa tapat nun andun yung public lunch boat. So doon kami nagpark, free parking, free everything, and then free food. Yan, no? We don't have to spend any dime on the restaurant right here. Yeah, we bought plantain this morning. My wife running like crazy this morning just to find a plantain, but we found it. We found some Westwood ba yun, honey? Or somewhere in Westwood or Washington Township, something like that. That area on the Pasay Road. Yan, we have chips. I know we're trying to eat healthy, so we have sweet potato chips which cooked in avocado oil. Okay, so they're not that crazy, bad food for us, at least. Yan, and then what else we have? We have kashui. We have cashew in the bottom over there. Yeah. I smell the we bought a bunch of plantain. I think my wife got mad. Yeah, this is it. This is gonna be the whole day today. Whole day, beautiful day. Today is the day that we decided to hang out, spend some time together. Kids have work, at least my son. My daughter is with her cousins, and yeah, and right there's the boat that you can tour. So perfect day. A lot of people now are coming boating, water sports, jet ski, boat, tagged by their boat on the floating tube, something like that. Not too sunny, cloudy. There's a chance of rain, 50% later, but we'll take chance. Worst case, I have my tarp. I'm gonna put the tarp later. Right here, this is my tarp. But we don't care, we got wet. We're here to get wet. So, yep. We're just gonna spend here the whole day. And yeah, pretty much. My wife is fighting that plantain to be cooked. Yeah, we decided to cook it on the... Ano, baka malaglag. Oh, we're just kicking that one anyway. Not a big deal. Wow, look at the wave. I don't know if you can see the wave. Woo, look at that. It's a lake, looks like an ocean for the waves. That's why I chose this particular place. You feel like you're in the ocean. You're gonna dip in later, definitely, 100%. Wow, look at the wave. And then I'll probably take a nap later on my hammock. That's the plan. While my wife is reading her book, I guess. Alright. Nice. I like the smell, honey. You wanna put more, ano? Mantika, hindi na?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it na. For later. Yan mo lang, honey. Andito yung mantika ng iba. Yung ganun. Yan. O baka malakas ang apoy kaya. Ooh, our favorite. I like a little bit toast, or you know, half burn. That's what I like. Crunchy. I like it. I like it. Music, country song, homemade. Like how many minutes we paddle, Annie? I would say 10-15 minutes or 20. It's not a long paddling. Look at that. Listen to the wave. Oh my god. I'm not eating that. All right, oh, nice breeze.